Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up on a wild legal and ethical case. Dr. Richard Batista, who donated a kidney to his wife, asked for it back during their divorce. So, where is Richard Batista now? Let's break it all down. Dr. Richard Batista is a surgeon from Long Island, New York. He married Donnell on the 31st of August, 1990. Donnell had kidney failure, went through 2 failed transplants, and in 2001, Richard donated one of his kidneys to her, a serious act, both of love and sacrifice. A few years after the transplant, Donnell filed for divorce. Richard claimed that Donnell started an affair 18 to 24 months after receiving his kidney, which he said contributed to their marriage falling apart. In the divorce proceeding, he asked the court to get his kidney back, or for about $1.5 million in compensation. The crux was whether a donated organ can be treated as a marital asset or something that can be valued. But under U.S. law, that just isn't how it works. You can't sell organs or force someone to give back a donated organ. The court rejected his request to treat the kidney like property or get money for it. Where is Richard Batista now? As of now, Richard Batista went low-key after the wildly publicized case. He's still a surgeon serving his community. He did not receive any cash compensation, and neither did he receive his kidney back, as the court ruled against that. More so, he's no longer with Donnell. Richard Batista's case shines a spotlight on something very rare. What happens when you donate part of yourself for someone else, and then things fall apart? Gift law, medical ethics, and property law all collide. And the outcome was that once you give something like a kidney voluntarily, courts generally won't treat it as something you can take back or be compensated for.